inside it is a plus b, right? A plus b. Part B, constant. Okay, constant on the left hand side is a 7. On the right hand side is a negative 14a. Okay, so please make sure you understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is negative 14 times a, which is going to be a constant. Remember, a and b are simply numbers. They may be fractions, they may be decimal numbers, whatever. And so I get an equation in A. So from here I get A is equal to minus 1/2. I take that, put it in here, and I get B is equal to positive 1/2. Okay. So this is not the final answer. The final answer is 7 over x squared minus 14x equals negative 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2 times x minus 14. By taking A and putting it in here, taking B and putting it in there. Okay? So my claim to you is that these two are equal. If in doubt, go use your graphing calculator and do that. I'm going to do that as well on the side. Well, actually, why don't I just continue recording? Let's go bring our graphing calculator up. Going to y equals, clear that, clear that. My left hand side is 7 divided by x squared minus 14x. And my right hand side is negative 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by parentheses 2 times parentheses x minus 14. And graph that, and you get those two funky graphs. Smoking again. Okay, what happened here now? 7 over x squared minus 14x. Oh, you protection. Second insert, protection, and second insert, protection. Oh, good golly, see what happens when you don't. That's more like it. So the two are equal. Let's look in the table, and sure enough, they're equal. Okay, so that's one technique of solving these. Okay. Going to do the second one. I guess let me go see if I can okay, I guess I'll have to snip this again. Snip it. Okay, so again, go factor this. So what I have is 7 over x minus 14, which is the same thing as a over x plus b over x minus 14. Okay, and again, by cross multiplying and all that, I got 7 is equal to a times x minus 14 plus b times x. So here is another way of doing this, okay, not the books method, but another way of doing this, okay. Let me kind of write this here. Okay, again, I want to solve for a and b. So this is what I call the killing method. Okay, you can see that I can kill b by putting x equals 0. And since this is really an identity, okay, I get 7 equals, I put x equals 0, I get minus 14a, and this disappears, which gives me a is equal to minus a half. Okay, so this is kill b. Killing a, you can put x equals 14, so you get 7 equals, if you put 14, this disappears, this becomes 14b, and b is equal to 1/2. Okay, so to me this is a much easier method than the one that the book kind of shows you. So here's what I call killing method, and you can find the constants A and B. All right, next example, more involved. Okay, more involved. So let's step it up. Snip this. Am I recording? Yes. All right, complicated example, cubic upstairs, quadratic downstairs. So this is an improper fraction, so I need to divide out first, which means that I got to do long division. Okay. So I get x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 2x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 5. I'm going to make this a 2x, so this becomes 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x. I'm going to subtract, and then this becomes minus 7x squared minus 3x plus 5, and I'm going to put a negative 7 here, so I get negative 7x squared minus 21x minus 14, and if I subtract I get 18x plus 19. Okay, just step pause here for a minute, make sure my work's okay. Let's find with me. So what I'm saying is that this is equal to 2x minus 7 plus 18x plus 19 all over x squared plus 3x plus 2. So it is this guy that we need to find a partial fraction for. Okay, it's that guy we need to find a partial fraction for. So step 2 says factor the denominator. So really what I'm going to do is work on this guy and factor him out. So get x plus 2, x plus 1. Okay, so I want to write this in partial fractions. So then 18x plus 19 over x plus 2, x plus 1 equals a over x plus 2, linear factor, plus b over x plus 1. Okay, and then by cross multiplying, I'm doing the usual stuff. I cross multiply, I get 18x plus 19. This guy becomes a times x plus 1 plus b times x plus 2. And using the killing method, okay, so kill a by putting x equals minus 1. So you get minus 18 plus